Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into 20 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make cooking easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you have arthritis, love meal prep, or just want to simplify your kitchen routine, there's something for everyone in this lineup. Stick around as we put each of these to the test. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Higher Torque Electric Jar Opener. First up, we have the Higher Torque Electric Jar Opener. This is perfect for seniors or anyone with weak hands. Just place it on the jar, press a button, and it does all the work. No more struggling to twist open jars. It works on almost any size jar and is battery operated for convenience. Definitely a must-have if you struggle with grip strength. Number 2. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain. Next, we have the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain. This clip-on strainer is a game changer. It fits onto almost any pot or pan, making draining pasta, veggies, or grease super easy. Plus, it's space-saving and easy to clean. Definitely a win in my book. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Salads just got easier with the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. It holds over 6 quarts, and with just a press, it spins your greens dry quickly. No more soggy salads. The non-slip base keeps it steady, and it even works great for washing berries and herbs. Number 4. Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. If you love homemade pizza, the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel is a must. It's sharp, ergonomic, and easy to control. Plus, the protective blade cover makes storage safe. Definitely better than a traditional pizza cutter. Number 5. Zulay Microwave Popcorn Popper. Movie nights just got better with the Zulay Microwave Popcorn Popper. Just add kernels, pop it in the microwave, and enjoy fresh popcorn without oil. It's collapsible, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe. Number 6. Ease-Eat-Off Jar Opener. Here's another great tool for weak hands, the Ease-Eat-Off Jar Opener. It installs under your cabinet and grips any jar lid with ease. A simple twist and your jar is open. Super useful for anyone with arthritis. Number 7. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Love freshly grated cheese? The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater makes it effortless. Just turn the handle and watch it shred cheese, veggies, or nuts quickly. The non-slip base keeps it stable, and cleanup is a breeze. Number 8. Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. No more struggling with cans. The Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener works at the push of a button and leaves a smooth edge. Perfect for anyone with weak hands. Number 9. Zulay Kitchen Apple Core. If you love apples, this Zulay apple core is fantastic. Its sharp stainless steel blades make coring apples easy, and it's great for baking and slicing fruit. Number 10. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Breakfast just got cuter with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. It heats up quickly, has a non-stick surface, and is perfect for small waffles. Great for kids and families. Number 11. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Again, the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner makes salad prep so easy. Worth mentioning twice because it's that good. Number 12. Ecolution Microwave Popcorn Popper. Another great popcorn maker. The Ecolution Micro Pop features a glass bowl and a 3-in-1 lid for measuring and melting butter. A healthier popcorn option. Number 13. Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press Set. This Zulay garlic press makes mincing garlic super easy. It's rust-proof, dishwasher safe, and comes with a peeler and brush. No more sticky garlic fingers. Number 14. Hamilton Beach Electric Can Opener. Another electric can opener, but this one from Hamilton Beach is extra tall and works on all sizes. Plus, it leaves no sharp edges. Number 15. Etexity Food Kitchen Scale. Perfect for baking and meal prep, the Etexity Kitchen Scale measures in grams and ounces with precision. Great for portion control, too. Number 16. Chef and Cob Corn Stripper. This little tool makes stripping corn off the cob fast and mess-free. No more struggling with a knife. Number 17. Amazon Basics Bread Maker. Homemade bread, anyone? The Amazon Basics Bread Maker has 14 settings for different types of bread, including gluten-free. Number 18. Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven. If you love slow-cooked meals, this cast iron Dutch oven is a must. It retains heat well and is built to last. Number 19. Ototo Dunkin' Egg Yolk Separator. This fun gadget makes separating eggs easy and entertaining. Just dunk and lift. Number 20. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. Last but not least, the Full Star Vegetable Chopper saves you tons of time prepping veggies. It has multiple blades and a storage container for convenience. And there you have it, 20 must-have kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description if you want to grab any of these for yourself. See you next time.